Hi, today I show you how to create gradient material in Blender. I use this method very often, tutorial very short and simple. Also, if you check my channel, you found procedural landscape using displacement maps, tutorial and much more. Okay, let's start. Delete all, edit, go to preference, add-on, search landscape add-on and turn on. Save settings, close window, Shift A, create landscape, left side you see parameter, you can change what you like, I double subdivide, shade smooth, I want more subdivide surface. If your computer not really good, don't do that. You see my scene quite large, go to material properties, new, double click, and rename. Go to shading. Now you see object one color. We can change color, but we not have a multiply. Add couple shaders. Shift A, search texture coordinate. Now we need mapping. Shift A, search separate X, Y, Z. And search color ramp. Now we need connect shaders, generated to vector, vector to vector, Z to fact, and color to base color. Voila! Now you have a gradient material. Looks very good. Here you can change color and type. Now you see what I'm doing. Most often I use easy, but if you want sharp edges, choose constant. Now I leave on easy. If you want more color, click plus. Here you can change color. This time I use black and white. Don't forget check my channel, I have a more useful tutorials. I think looks very good. Don't forget you can change location, rotation and scale. This very useful if you want animate texture. With this you can get really good result. If you thinking about roughness and how get different roughness in object, I show you now. We need only one shader, Shift A, search color ramp, Z connect to fact, color to roughness. Ta-dam! We have a roughness and now we can change what we want. Just moving arrow, you see how change roughness. Very easy control this effect. Also you can change type, linear, easy. Now you know how to change colors, roughness, and location, rotation and scale. Thanks for watching. If you leave comment, I be really happy. Don't forget check my channel. I have a cool tutorial. See ya!